India today, and we are really fortunate enough that we have with us
time as well as the auditorium to launch this particular
giving a platform where the person can buy something
particularly, inshallah. So the credit points. So every time I log in, I get 10 credit points.
We should always sacrifice many things.
Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon to everybody, all my dear youngsters, my dynamic students and the eminent personalities, the former Member of Parliament and the Pride of India, the former Indian cricket captain Mr. Mohammad Azharuddin. Janab Akhtarul Wasi Sahab, a very eminent personality from Uttar Pradesh, who is now in Delhi for the last 2 years, rolling over the hearts of millions of women, and she is none other than Shabina Shafiq, the Honorable. We have an emerging minority community leader, again from Uttar Pradesh, Mr. Saad Siddiqui, under whose patronage this event is being organized today. Our beloved, one and only Janab Sirajuddin Qureshi Sahab, President, India Islamic Culture Center, and also the founder of the Noble Education Society. 5 pillars, which is an Islamic board game. As we all know, Islam is the religion not just meant only for the Muslim community, but it is the religion for the entire humanity. All to this gentleman, Mr. Ridwan Abdi Hamid Mau, Mr. Muzammil Riaz, who is again Islamic Development Bank of Shahid Siddiqui, who is again from India, who have been dedicatedly working on these 2 projects, 5 pillars and the Obla.com. And to launch this in India, then the India Islamic Culture Center. The proceedings with Khirat-e-Kalam-e-Pak.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألف لام
And thank you very much to the esteemed and distinguished guests and the hosts for inviting us here today to be a part of this wonderful activity and inshallah evening here.
Introduction. My name is Abdi Hamid Mau. As you're well aware of now, yes, I am a Canadian citizen. I'll just give you a brief introduction of who.
इतनी शिद्दत से मैं नजर साहब तवज्जो चाहता हूँ, इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने आने की कोशिश की है, इतनी शिद्दत से मैंने तुम्हें पाने की कोशिश की है कि हर जर्रे ने मुझे तुमसे मिलाने की साजिश की है। कहते हैं अगर दिल से कोई चीज़ चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है।
Obla.com की तरफ से कुछ मुअज़्ज़िज़ मेहमानान को मोमेंटोस पेश किए जाएंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले हमारी दरख्वास्त है इंडिया इस्लामिक कल्चर सेंटर के सदर जनाब सिराजुद्दीन कुरैशी साहब से कि इज़हार राय फरमाएं।
स्टेज पे बैठे हुए मेरे तमाम डोसीज, खासतौर पे अब्दुल वासी साहब, असदुद्दीन साहब, आपने जो अभी डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन देखा ये भी एक यूनिक है। और इंडिया इस्लामिक कल्चर सेंटर में आज इसकी शुरुआत हुई है। खलील साहब ने चूँकि ये प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज कराया, मैं उनका बहुत बहुत मशहूर हूँ। When you are going to devote your time in the school, and the rest of the time in the home, you should try that every second, every minute is very important and precious for you.
सिराजुद्दीन कुरैशी साहब, हम अपने तमाम हाज़रीन का भी बेहद शुक्रिया अदा करते हैं, लेकिन इनमें से बेशतर जिस शख्सियत की वजह से साहिबा से कि वो भी अपने
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया कि आज इंडिया इस्लामिक कल्चरल सेंटर में हमें ये मौका मिला कि इतने नोबल कॉज के लिए आप सबके बीच में शरीक हो सके। और इंशाल्लाह ताला आज ये जो कदम यहाँ पर पड़े हैं हिंदुस्तान की ज़मीन पे आप लोगों के और आप लोगों के नेक ख्यालात के, वो एक बहुत ही लंबा सफ़र तय करेंगे। And once again, Khalid bhai, congratulations to you and the entire team for such a noble cause. Assalamu alaikum.
शुक्रिया शबीना साहिबा। आइए दोस्तों, बहुत अरसे तक जिस शख्सियत को खेलते हुए देखा, आज इसको बोलते हुए देखते हैं। अजहरुद्दीन साहब तशरीफ लाइए।
Respected President of the India Islamic Cultural Center, distinguished guests on the dais, especially people who have come from Canada and Trinidad and Tobago, born in Trinidad and Tobago but lives in Jeddah, and distinguished guests who are here, a lot of ladies. It's very hard to get ladies to come into a program, but we are happy to see so many ladies, so many. Thank my brother-in-law Khalid for inviting me to this function. My brother-in-law keeps asking me to come for many programs, but somehow or the other, I always tend to miss because I'm outside or I'm very busy. But I think this time I made sure that I'm here because I was supposed to go and watch the match in London, which I think I did a wise thing by not going there and coming for this function. It was not that easy for the people of India. Good thing, 5 pillars game, we tend to really waste so much time, doing things which are not very good. In this we can learn about religion. Once we are strong, once we learn about the religion, then we can preach the religion to others. Till then we cannot do it, unless we have the questions and the answers to it. It's very hard, sometimes. And I'm sure, it was a very good learning experience to me as well. There are some questions which I was not even aware of the answers, but I'm very happy that I've got those answers. And the overall, it's a great idea. It's very good. I think your thoughts are very good. I'm sure if you can become that, you have recognized your talent, you have worked hard for it, and you have achieved whatever you achieved. It's Almighty Allah has given. And I want to tell you that I'm very happy to meet you also. But I want to tell you that nowadays it's very easy for you to meet me. I'll be there for you people anytime you need me. Because my brother-in-law is here, and he's one person who's really done very well for himself. I wish him all the best also, and I hope and pray that whatever he wants to do, he succeed. And wish everyone present here, may Allah guide us in the correct path and make sure that we become very